I was a graduate student. Let me go back. I I worked on doing these lattice calculations of using SU3 gauge theory, where and the calculations just use the gauge fields. You didn't use the matter particles, and so there's a really beautiful way of putting gauge theory of discretizing and putting on a lattice, and so I worked a lot on that, and I thought that was great. And so then I thought, well, wait a minute, what about the matter particles? What happens when I put them on the lattice? And I started to realize that, wait a minute, matter particles are these spin one half. The spin geometry is really weird. It's not at all obvious, how to capture that geometry and while how to preserve any of that geometry when you discretize things. And and there's a long story about people trying to put spinor fields on the lattice, and you end up with all sorts of interesting problems. And that's when I first started thinking about some of these things now.